Okay, well, another bike ride on the Pine Creek Trail. We're down here in, I think it's called Blackwell Access. Here it is. Blackwell Access. See, there's the river. People are in the river. This is called the Pennsylvania Scenic River System. All right, let's get to the trail. There's brand new bathrooms they just put in right there. Very nice. They're putting them in throughout the whole trail. This is the Robert McCall Jr. Pine Creek Access. Do not park along the street. So we're going to see what it's like going this way. We're farther south. We're below the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon. Yesterday we drove through the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon. So this is the trail. It says here no horses on this one. Have to give me some juice. I'm going uphill here. This is the north. We're going north. So we'll see what we see on this bike ride. I'm not sure how far we're going to go. Yesterday we did 15 miles round trip. So I don't want to do today. So this is the Blackwell Access and we're heading north on the Pine Creek Rail to Trail. We got a stop sign. I'm not stopping though. Hi guys. I have to use more juice here. We're going uphill. I got my juice on number 2, Vic. I'm on number 2. Here's the gate. Hey guys. Hey. I'm gonna be using a lot of juice today. I think I'm gonna be going uphill this way. Let's see. Here's the gate. Don't hit that pole like I did down in the Keys. Bike etiquette. Stay in a single lane. Let's see. Born to be wild. All these are rattlesnakes. Yeah. Oh, that's about the rattlesnakes. That storyboard talks about the rattlesnakes. Isn't that nice? What's the sign say? Route 287, 24.2 miles, state line, New York State. There's a trail that goes up to some cliff. So here we go. I'm going to be using a lot of juice today, I think. Hi. Okay, we're going to be going deep into the woods. Where's the river at? I think it's going to be coming up on the left, ain't it? I don't know. We're deep in the woods. Watch out for the bear, rattlesnakes, and deer. That's all I got to worry about. Maybe some raccoons? I don't know. We'll have to find out. Alright, we'll catch you later. Okay, we made it 8 miles. Born to be wild. There they are. Rattlesnakes. The timber rattlesnakes. And northern copperheads live here. They eat mice. And they'll sting you. This is the next access point from Blackwell heading north. It's called Gunton. This is the point that we got to yesterday when we went south from Darling Run. We did 7.5 miles south and turn around, and did another 7.5 going back. See, here is the sign. So today we're at 8.1. Oh, look at this nice house. Look at that. That looks like a KOA house. Huh, I wonder if there was a KOA here at one time. Huh. Looks like a KOA house to me. Here's some kind of A-frame. Look at it. It's all beat up. See that? Couple cabins here. There's another old one. They're working on it. Hey guys. Fixing it up, they're filling it in so it doesn't fall. So this is where we ended it yesterday. Right up here where this gate is. So I guess we'll get up there and turn around. We did it. It's I'm at 8.2. So if we go back another 8, that's 16 plus the 15 yesterday. That's gonna be like 31 miles, 2 days on this trail. You know, going up and back. It's so we actually did would be 7.5 plus 8, 25.5 out of 62 miles. Here's a bunch of people here. See this? This is where we were yesterday. Hi. You get the gate fixed? You get the gate fixed? I heard he hit the gate yesterday.
It looks fixed, don't it?
Yeah. I wouldn't lean on it heavy.
Okay, turning around. 8.4 miles. 8.4. Maybe we could find that thing I lost down there, because this is where I put the kickstand.
Oh, go down and look.
Take a break. Here's that sign again. There's the repair center right there. All right, we'll catch you later. I already filmed this in the last video, so look at my other video for the rest of this. Here we are riding along Pine Creek. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. It's immaculate. Really nice. Vicky saw an eagle, and I think she saw an osprey too. Ospreys live here, have their babies along this river. So we did 8.5 miles one way. I'm gonna go 8.5 the other way. Now this is gonna be downhill. So it looks like if you ride this trail south, it's downhill. If you head north, it's uphill. But with electric bikes, it doesn't matter. The only difference is you use a little more energy going uphill. Because I'm lazy. See? I let the bike work some. I pedal some, and I kind of do 50-50 with the bike. I do have to work, and it does have to work. Don't get worn out that way. Look at this beautiful wood straight ahead. Look at that. Boy, it must have been neat coming through here with the trains and seeing all this. I guess the engineers will get tired after a while. After a while you get, no matter what it is, if it's beautiful or if it's ugly, you get tired of it after a while. You want to see something different. But this is really nice. This is a nice part of Pennsylvania. And there's nobody here. I mean, we kind of got this trail to ourselves today. The other part of the trail was busier because that's the Grand Canyon that we were on. You know, it goes through the Grand Canyon, so it's a little more scenic. But hey, this is nice. We like it. You know, as long as we don't see too many rattlesnakes. And bear, forgot the bear spray again. It's in the motorhome. Not a good place for it when I meet a bear. Gotta be in my pocket somewhere. I'm gonna have to hook one up to the bike or something. A little Velcro. So this is it. This is the Pine Creek Trail. We're just past mile marker 17 and we're heading south. So the next mile marker will be 18. Like I said, it's 62 miles long. We're at mile marker 18. And we're going to go another, I don't know, 6 miles. About 6 more miles. Or 7. We got 7 miles to go. Okay. We'll catch you later. Okay, we're near the end. We're back here at almost the Blackwell access to the trail. We've done so far 16.5 miles, so we got about a half a mile to go or less. It's a nice ride. It's uphill going north and downhill going south. The electric bikes did fine on this gravel path. And there's the storyboard about the rattlesnakes again. I gotta be careful here. This is, you could crash your bike on these rails. That'd be not good. So we're gonna head back to the parking lot. We got about a 40-minute drive back to the campground from here. It's a little farther south. So if you're staying at Eyes Run Army Corps Engineer campground, it's about a 45-minute drive to this access point on the trail, one way. So this is Blackwell, and we have a stop sign here, but I'm not stopping. And I can see the parking lot. It's over to the right there. What a nice area. A lot of hunting cabins out here. Oh, there's an old church. Look at that. Wow. The Blackwell something church. I can't read it. It might be Mennonite or something. A lot of Mennonites here. Wow, we're going downhill. Steep. I gotta slow down. You don't want to crash. And then that's the continuation of the trail that way, straight ahead. There's no horses allowed here. Here's the parking lot. Right here. For the Blackwell access point. Look how high our mountains are here. See? That's why down where we were yesterday, where we had the Grand Canyon, we were at the bottom of it. Here. Pine Creek Trail 1.9. Rattlesnake Rock. More parking. There's the bathrooms. That's all nice and neat. Look at that. Here's the bridge. There's the water traveling through the river. See that? That's it. 16.9 I got.
I got 16.7.
Mine says 16.9. Whew! That was a ride. See that? It says 16.9 on my... And I got 3 bars left between yesterday and today. 32 miles.
I got like 1.5 left.
That's it.
My watch says 17.03.
Huh.
138 feet elevation.
I said about 17. Let me go look over here. See, this says Pine Creek, Pennsylvania Scenic River System. I didn't even know we had a scenic river system. See, there's kids in the river there. Look at. See them? Oh, they got a marker where the river should be. Kind of low now. There's a 14-foot marker there. You could walk across it right now. Here, let me look down this way. Here's it going south. All right, well, that's it. See you later, alligators.